Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Go inside the vehicle, open up the hood. To remove this plastic shield that's in the front of the engine compartment, there are 10 clips. 1, 2, 3, 10. Take a small flat-bladed screwdriver or a trim clip tool and pop them up. To loosen them, they need to go in like this. Pull them out. If the middle comes out, that's okay. And then this rubber seal is clipped in here. Just kind of pop it out. Use a small flat-bladed screwdriver, just pop it up. Use a trim clip tool. These may break when you're taking them out. You might want to have some new ones on hand. If the middle comes out, it just pushes right back in there. Just repeat that for all the clips. These ones are a little trickier because they're deep inside here. Let's try to get this in here and prime up. Just go along and do the same for all of them. This should just lift right off now. And then we'll put it aside. To remove the hood latch, it's mounted to a bracket. You could remove the entire bracket as one piece. It does have an electrical connector here that will need to be unplugged. And the hood cable is here. If you just want to remove the hood latch, you can unbolt these 13mm bolts. I'm using a ratcheting wrench. Loosen them up, remove that bolt, remove the other bolts. Just pull it aside for now. Push this little ball up and out of there. Use these needle nose pliers to push it on these lock tabs on the hood cable. Push it out. The cable's released. You need to unplug that. So I'm going to use the needle nose pliers to push in on those tabs and then push this out. Get this out of the way. I can unplug it. Sometimes you got to push in to help unlock it. Push down on the lock tab. Pull it apart. And there's our hood latch. Plug the electrical connector back in. It'll click when it locks into place. Put the connector back in place. We'll take our hood cable. We'll go through this opening. At the same time, I'm going to try to thread it into the opening. It might not, but you just clip it in, and then see here. I might have to take the needle nose pliers. Just grab it. This is going to push in there. That's locked in place. As far as the adjustment goes, you can see where it's where there's dirty and it's not dirty. And that's roughly where the hood latch was. So I'm going to line it up with the original spots. These holes are slotted. If you need to adjust this hood latch, you can adjust it up, down. You can adjust it down, up, left, right. But I'm going to put it back in the original spot just for now. Just going to tighten these bolts up. It'll get tight, I'll stop. Same for both. The hood latch is reinstalled. Install the upper cover, the engine compartment. I'm gonna slide it under that ground point. It's gonna go over these rubber mounts here, both sides. Let's go under this weather strip. Same thing for both sides. Reinstall all the push clips. It's easier to push the clips in if you pull out the center part. This is the last one. And that is complete. Close your hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.